Are you tired of having a small and stagnant YouTube channel? Do you dream of going viral and reaching a wider audience? If so, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be sharing 10 tips for growing your YouTube channel fast. Tip number 1. Create high-quality, engaging content. Creating high-quality content is always good. People won't watch it because it's not interesting for them. And if your content is not engaging, YouTube will not show it to potential watchers. Tip number 2. If you don't make interesting thumbnails, people won't click on your videos. The same goes for titles. You should use search engine optimization in your description so more people can find your video through the algorithm. Tip number 3. If you collaborate with other channels, you can extend your range, which in turn means more views. Make sure to cross-promote each other's channels if you want to achieve maximum views. If you want to collaborate with We're Toast, let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the We're Toast YouTube channel. If you engage more with your audience by responding to the comments, they feel more connected to you and may return as a subscriber. Listening to suggestions improves you and your video's quality, which as said before is also very important. Tip number 5. By sharing your videos through social media, more people will be able to find it. If those viewers are followed to your social media, they might also want to subscribe and become a returning viewer. Tip number 6. By using a consistent posting schedule, your viewers will know when to expect a new upload, and you can build excitement for it. Tip number 7. By utilizing an end screen, you can direct viewers to another video, subscribe, or even a merch store. Tip number 8. A clear and direct channel trailer will ensure future subscribers as they will know what to expect from your content. Tip number 9. By using a good thumbnail, more people will click on it. Tip number 10. Final tip. Be patient and consistent. Growing a YouTube channel takes time, dedication, and subscribing to our channel. By following these tips and putting in the work, you can give your channel the boost it needs to reach new heights. So, what are you waiting for? Start implementing these strategies today and watch your channel grow. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.